The Rockler adjustable table featherboard is cleanly molded out of a tough black plastic. This outfit uses steel miter track bars, steel bolts, and these comfortable star knobs that makes tightening them up a lot easier. The miter track bars fit common 3/8 by 3/4 inch miter slots, and their 4 3/4 inch length means that they get a very tight grip on the miter slot. And here's a little better look at the knobs, and you can see why they're nice and comfortable to use. To set up the Rockler adjustable table featherboard, the first thing we do is position the fence where we want it. Then with the stock against the fence, we put the miter bars into the slot, position the featherboard where we want it, apply a little inward pressure, and then turn the knobs to lock the bars in the slot. When the featherboard is set up correctly, the wood will stay firmly against the fence, yet it'll move past the featherboard without a lot of extra resistance. And remember that featherboards are always installed before the blade. We don't want the pressure of the featherboard trying to close the curve of the wood onto the blade. When using the featherboard, we just want to make sure we keep the wood flat on the table and against the fence. And remember that we still use a push handle when we're moving wood across the blade. The featherboard doesn't take the place of other safety devices. You can see the fingers deflect just a little bit as the wood passes by, and that's all we're looking for. Whether you're on a table saw, router table, or even a shaper, the featherboard just keeps the wood firmly against the fence. And that lets you focus on moving the wood across the blade safely. I know it doesn't have a motor or anything, but the featherboard still is a great thing to have in your shop. The Rockler adjustable table featherboard is very well made, easy to use, but it doesn't take the place of other safety devices. You use them all together. If you work on a table saw, router table, or shaper, you need to have a few of these featherboards to work as safely as you can.